I'm literally on the verge of giving up right now. I'm not having a very good morning. It's driving me up the wall. So the other day, I thought I'd attempt to do the rear wiper delete. Let's just say it didn't go very well. I'll leave a little snippet of what happened, a little overlay, and you can see. So yeah, we had that. But today I thought, fuck it. Do you know what? I thought we'd give it a go, sort of putting in a new head unit. And yeah, I thought I'd show you how to do it or whatever. But trust me, I'm not got much on my side this week, I'm telling you. So we'll probably fuck up something, but we'll give it a go. So I'm just going to do like a little time lapse and then probably come into it every now and then. But yeah, stay tuned and we'll get to it. Well, I'm going to time lapse it. So just undo that to start off with. I believe you just pop these out, lever it out, but yeah, I'm going to go back to a time lapse. So literally take out them two Phillips screwdrivers either side, then you've got an 8mm, just one there, one that side as well. Take them out and then it should release this. So we'll go back to the time lapse. Right, so them two 8mm sockets are out. Oh, sockets, fucking, you know what I mean, boys. Them two are out in there. I had to get the glove box down. If you want to remove that, you just push that in either side. Yeah, it's quite simple. So that just gives you the room to get in there. It is a bit fucking awkward, to be fair, but yeah, get them two out. Remember the two Phillips there. Then this should, in theory, pop out, so we'll give that a go. So that's out. It does just, you get them 8mm bolts out, whatever you want to fucking call them. Yeah, then you literally just leverage it up, sort of thing, apply a bit of pressure, and the whole unit comes out. Obviously, you have to unclip a lot of the bits off so you can get it out. But yeah, that's that. So now we're just gonna dismantle this. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 right there, I can see. And then the same on the other side. Probably have to take this out so we can get to them as well. But yeah, stay with us. Right, that's literally, that is out. Separated. Ooh. God, yeah. I had to take off this part on there just so I could get to the screws. So yeah, that's that. The fascia I got was a silver one off of eBay. It was an eBay special, really. It lines up okay. I mean, from what you can see. I mean, getting it in there, you've got these screws that you took out. These ones here, they do screw back into the fascia that you buy off of eBay. So make sure you get a screw in there, then try and get it in line. Because trying to line it up without getting the screw in, it just keeps popping out. So get your first screw in, and then everything else should sort of fall into place with a bit of pressure. But yeah, so that's on. And literally, there you have it. Sorted. So all you need, all you literally need to do it is a typical Sony head unit. Yeah, literally all you need to do it is a 8mm socket. Ideally, oh fucking hell! Wake up all my neighbours. Literally, yeah, 8mm socket, extension ratchet. Ideally, an adjustable pair of adjustable spanner or a pair of mole grips. It done the job, but yeah, it's not ideal. But no, it's pretty easy, to be fair. I found it alright. The only tricky bit is probably undoing them 8mm inside, but other than that, easy job. So yeah, I hope that helps, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.